Aibowan, welcome to Eash Kitchen. Today we are going to make lemongrass fried pork. It's ideal for a quick starter. I hope you will enjoy this cooking program. Please follow my video properly. Okay, let's check the ingredients. Pork, curd, lemongrass, coriander leaves, mustard paste, peppercorn, honey, soya sauce and oyster sauce, and the garlic. So let's start marinate the pork. Okay, let's take the lemongrass. We'll cut it on a small pieces. Lemongrass. Okay, now we'll take some garlic. Pepper. Little bit sugar. We'll make a nice paste. Okay, now add coriander. Okay, the coriander will give more flavor and the different taste on the fried pork. We'll check the paste now. This will be coriander, garlic and pepper with little bit sugar. It's ideal, flavorful flavor. Okay, let's do the marination now. We'll add little bit honey. Soya sauce. Oyster sauce. And mustard paste. And little bit sugar. Okay, let's mix well. Now to marinate and keep for at least 1 hour or 2 hours. Ideal for keep for 2 hours. Okay, after marination the pork, we'll add the cornflour. After that cornflour, you have to mix well and keep for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so let's make the dipping for the fried pork. Curd, chopped garlic, we'll add garlic to the curd. Okay, let's get the coriander, little bit chopped coriander, and pinch of salt, and little bit cumin. Okay, let's mix the dip. Amazing flavor. So let's fry the pork now. Okay, let's fry the pork, not the deep fry. We'll do the pan fry pork. Add little bit oil, not much, little bit, this much. Okay, let's add the pork. Be a delicious smell. I can feel that. I hope you guys will like it once we'll finish. Okay, now it's getting fried. You can see that color is getting changed little by little with the golden color. Okay, now almost done. I feel the taste on this and also the delicious smell. All my crew is getting ready to try this. Now it's already cooked. Let's plate the meat. You can see lemongrass is well fried. No burning taste. You can see little bit brown color, but it's well cooked, flavored fried pork. Okay, let's add the garnish. A little bit red chili. Okay, let's garnish the fried pork with the red chili. Let's add the dip. So friends, the amazing fried pork with lemongrass. So please follow Eash Kitchen from Instagram and subscribe in the YouTube. I hope you will enjoy your cooking at home. Have a great day.